In. Go. In. Let's go. Sean. Moving. All right, I'm gonna cover this side, guys. Holy shit. I need one more person in this building. Somebody get in here right now. Oh, you scared me. I see him, I think I see him, hang on.
Yeah, I have no visual on anything.
7-4. I see one.
Hey, you guys get the Sham-Wow. Someone's gotta hold it. Someone's gotta hold Sham-Wow. Someone's gotta hold it. Good.
He's down.
Okay. You know, you can have it on your gear. You can have like off your gear.
Oh, that's wait. We can't run around with it though, right?
Yeah. You can
Oh, sick. Yo. All right, yo, come here. Let's go. Move.
We have to stay in this building though. He said.
Oh, we have to stay in here?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
You know what?
That would have been so much fun.
We should. Now you know what? Yeah. As long as the Sham-Wow stays in this building.
I got Giorgio Sean.
We should do a game where you can do Sham-Wow, but like it could be hard though.
Sorry, George.
A game we used to play at the CQB field. You know what we could do? We could do. There's two like Sham-Wow locations. So you can bring it to either building.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That'd be so much fun.
That'd be good.
We got to do that today.
We'll do that. We'll do that.
Can we do a game with medics too? Because I love being medic.
Joe,
All right, cool.
You know what we're gonna do? We'll play another Sham-Wow game like that, and we'll do two like optional buildings, so they can take it to either one.
You got visual? You got visual?
I have no visual on anything.
All right, 10-4. Just keep watching. I got your. Watch this side. Watch right. I'm covering left.
But a game we used to play at the CQB field I played was called Years, and everybody's a medic, but if you go down, enemy team has to tag you out to get the game. Oh really? And so like you just keep fighting, and you can revive all your fallen allies.
Holy Christ.
And then enemies have to actually tag you down people completely eliminate them.
Oh, fuck. Now it locks up sometimes. I had to downgrade to a 7-4 because the 11-1 my connectors were.
Yeah, you're not used to that trigger response. That's the 7-4, huh?
I don't know how to increase the trigger response. That's the only thing. I'm looking for someone who works on M4s.
I work on them if you want.
I'll pay you to do that trigger response.
Yeah, I'll do that. You gotta do weird shit like that.
Yeah, how much is it? I mean. Oh fuck. What?
9 speeds 50 and then plus parts. So, I mean, a good set of high speed gear is gonna be like. Well, what's your desired FPS?
I have no specific FPS that I desire.
350,
Around 350
okay.
preferably, yeah.
So you can go like 13 to 1. So you can still get a better trigger response.
So I mean, I want like a trigger where I could touch it almost.
You're looking at a MOSFET with like a speed trigger.
So.
That's like $130 in parts, and then like $50 in labor. We got it. One of our actual installing MOSFETs.
All right. Well, it's still.
Ask to see Hollywood's gun if he has it here. Or my dad's 416. I'll show you.
I'll talk to you after this game about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, they have a little more crazy stuff on it, but.
How long is this procedure gonna take though?
Take me a week.
A week. All right. Can I trust you with my gun? Not that I don't, but.
No.
All right.
Yeah, you could.
Because I know people who gotten their guns stolen because of that.
No.
Not saying you would. I'm, you know.
No. I mean,
One left. Tino. Okay, good. I got one left. One. Shit. Keep watching my right. Oh fuck.
What's the time?
Wait, we don't have reinforcements?
No, you guys have no respawn.
Oh, that's great. Coming out, dead man. Good shot, good shot.
No bands have 20 minutes left.
Oh shit, we held that building for a while. I was just picking them off on the left.
I got up to the edge of the what's it called? The building I went in. Did you see that?
We can respawn? Let's go. John, this way, let's go.
Yeah. Hey, they got in the building. They're in the building.
Yeah. Let me get some guys on that right.
Hey, what person was standing there?
I see one. Is that a friendly?
That was not
Contact. Ciao. Oh! Hit!
Sham-Wow is neutral. Sham-Wow is neutral.
You sneaky bastard.
No bands have it. No bands have it. No bands cannot respawn right now. No bands cannot respawn right now.
Oh, no bans, he said.
Yeah.
We're doing good though.
got here.
No armbands still have it. No respawns for no bands.
What?
I think I shot George on the helmet. You didn't feel it. Whatever.
Took Tino a couple times to call it. I noticed he,
Really?
he's a little like that, yeah.
That's for some people, though.
No, I'm not like, I didn't mean he doesn't call his hits. I mean,
Yeah.
like he didn't feel it because his back, he had his gear on. I don't blame him. I kept shooting. I tried to hit him in a spot where he could feel it. No, Giorgio, they're good at calling their hits, though. I don't know.
Geez, Tino got far up.
Good job, Tino.
Yeah, good job, T. Oh shit, my head's itchy.
Don't you hate that? Especially when your like nose is itchy when you're trying to play airsoft. That drives me insane.
I usually use Head and Shoulders, but fucking
Really?
I
Really, guy?
used Axe. No, fucking.
Who uses Axe? Come on.
Axe shampoo? Fucking good.
I wish that I could be like the cool kids.
Oh damn.
Nobody wants to hear my singing.
No, nobody does.
Come on.
Neutral.
Let's go.
Fuck out, they got far on that. Oh shit, you see that?
No, he's our. Alright, I'm going up this side. You want to come with me?
Armbands have no respawn. No armbands, you have unlimited respawns.
Oh, dead. Yep. Good job.
Fucking gun jammed on me.
We can respawn now. Joe, we can respawn?
Yes, unlimited respawns for no bans right now. Our bans are still in control.
Let's go, Sean. Guys, let's move up.
Our bans do not have respawns right now.
Sean, let's move.
I'm pretty sure they're in the building next to us.
Holy fuck. You see someone?
You see us?
I don't see shit. It's neutral now. Alright guys, now's our chance to move up because they're respawning. You wanna move around the right, Sean? Flank them? Wanna try it at least?
Sure.
Ready, let's go. Alright, Sean. Sean. Check my left.
You got white? Alright, I'm moving, right?
Yep, go ahead, I'll cover you. Contact. Are you out? Yeah. Did I hit you? Yeah. Holy shit, George, that's like the definition of Allahu Akbar. Holy shit. Good shit, George, good shit. Sean, moving. Holy fuck! Building, got him. Shit. Cover that side. Hit! Dead man. Good shit.
Both teams can respawn. The flag is neutral. The flag is neutral.
Sean. Yeah. Got it. Cover, 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 cover. I got this. I got your left. I mean, yeah, your left. Sean, let me know if you move.
No bands are in control. No bands are in control. Automatic has a respawn.
You need help? You're clear on this side, Sean. Yep, yep. I got it. Go right there. Go. Yeah, there you go. Unless you want to move. I got one moving. Sean, watch yourself. Watch. Contact!
No bands are still in control, guys. No bands are still in control. No bands have
Get this side. Get this side. Get this side. This side. This side. He's right there. Try not to put your whole body out like that. Try to just go like I am.
no bands. You still have the Sham-Wow. No bands are in control.
There you go.
Yeah.
Neutral, neutral, neutral.
Let's both call that.
Hate you.
Let's both call that, bro.
You got me right in here.
Oh, before?
I heard
Hey,
it bounce and hit me. So
Let's both call that. We both. That was a part play right there.
I shot that guy out.
Yeah. Good job, T. Tino safety killed me. But now we both called it because I had my pistol to him. And I knew it was him. I felt bad shooting him from like point blank.
Yeah.
So I was like, yeah, no, I'm not doing that.
Little red flag. Little red flag. The little one.
Was it raining before?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
No, Armband's got it.
They have it right now?
Yeah, they just took it away from us.
Oh. All right, let's go.
Had it in my car. Wow, we can go in.
Huh?
Go ahead, Dave, go.